Hey, welcome back. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know if I should just do voiceovers or not, because I don't like the sound of my voice. I don't. But anyway, this is the second red ink wash doodle thing that I've done. I actually like the first one I did. I recorded it, but for some reason I couldn't. What do you call that? I couldn't. It just left my mind. I couldn't. Let me reformat something. It's out of my mind. I don't know, but it wouldn't go into Premiere Pro. That's gonna bother me now. I can't figure out that word I am thinking about. But anyway, yeah, it wouldn't go into Premiere Pro, and which sucks, like all the footage. So I thought, I'll do another one because I like the way that one turned out. Maybe I'll put a picture. And then this, I kind of like it, but at the same time, I don't know. Like, I kind of ran out of things to add. Like, I didn't know where to add things. Like, I hate when that happens. But maybe, like, a few weeks from now, I'll just be like, hey, I'm going to add some more to it. But right now, I just can't think of what else to add to it. Like, I don't know. It's weird. It's weird. Also, I started out using my 0.20, and I noticed that you could barely see it. Even in person, I could barely see the line work. I'm like, ugh. So I actually had to go and take my 0.40 and take the ink out, the white ink, and clean it all out, and then put black in. I was much happier with that. I also had to do that with my watercolor painting thingy. Again, the 2.20, 0.20, whatever. It just wasn't showing up. It was too thin. So I gotta remember that next time. The 0.4 is a lot better. I don't know what else to talk about. Oh yeah, I'd like to do this again. Because I just ordered more ink. I got this nice dark purple. I got this purpley blue iridescent one. I think it's iridescent. I don't know. And I got bright red. Because the red I have now, it's not actual fountain pen ink. It's like cheap. Something you get at like an office supply store. So, yeah. So I got a brighter red. I got black. Because I don't... All I have for black are cartridges, and I'm scared they will run out soon. So I was like, I need to get black. And I also I ordered a new fountain pen with an extra fine nib, because I just realized all my nibs are fine. So I'd like to see how an extra fine would do, because these ones, they seem to be too thick sometimes with just the fine nibs. So yeah, I don't know. I can't wait till I get them. So So I'll probably do another ink wash, but with like purple. Oh my god. So excited. So I can't wait for those to come in. Maybe I'll do a video on that stuff. I don't know. I don't know what else to talk about. I think that's it for now. I'm just looking through my book here if you could hear that. So anyway, let me know if you just like, whoever is watching, if you just like to hear music or me talking, because I don't know. Anyway, and if you do like to hear me talking, maybe suggest a topic for me to talk about, because I never know what the heck to talk about. I don't know. I think, let me know, please. Okay, well, I have to go back to work. Yeah. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.